everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to look bored using only your eyes. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to look bored using only your eyes and nothing more, this is the video for you. I'm going to take off my glasses to show you my eyes, and I'm just going to basically allow you to understand how you can look bored using only your eyes. So it's really easy to do. Essentially, you're going to have your regular eyes in the sense of like the way that your eyes regularly look. For myself, this is how my eyes regularly look. It's just as simple as this, okay? Now, from your regular eyes, what you're going to do is you're then going to just allow them to be relaxed, and they're going to close just a tiny bit, not too much. If they close too much, it's going to look intentional. You want it to look normal. You want to be able to look bored just using only your eyes, and you want it to look as natural as possible, which means like a natural boredom is just when your eyes close ever so slightly. So just relax them. So here's my regular eyes, and I'm going to allow them to just relax just like this. Relaxed. Okay, as you see, they closed a bit and I look bored, plain and simple. I look super bored. Look at how bored I look. Now obviously, if you smile, it's not gonna allow you to look as bored, because it not only does a smile make you not look bored, but it affects the way your eyes are a little bit, right? So you got to keep a straight face, but your eyes by themselves, as long as you have a straight face, your eyes by themselves, if you just relax them, you're gonna look bored, plain and simple. Now, obviously, like, you know, like your mouth and your facial expressions will contribute. So like if you want to look bored overall, you get your eyes relaxed, you get a straight face, and you just kind of like slouch down a little bit. Bored. On an angle, head on an angle too. Super bored. Just like that, okay? Now, if you're just showing your eyes only, I can cover my mouth, and you can see, even just showing my eyes, when I cover my lower face, okay, I'm gonna look bored just like this. So I'm just going to have my regular eyes, and I'm just gonna allow them to relax and just close ever so slightly. Just like that. And you can see just my eyes, I look bored. Plain and simple. No expression, just eyes, being relaxed. I look bored. That's it. Essentially, all that you have to do is just take your eyes from where they regularly are in terms of like how open and how they look, and then just allow them to relax. And your eyelids will close ever so slightly. They'll just sort of slouch down ever so slightly. They'll droop ever so slightly, and it's just going to allow you to look bored. So yeah, that's it. That's how to look bored using only your eyes. If you're an actor or an actress and you want to look bored using only your eyes, or you know, you're filming something and you can only show your eyes, or whatever the case is, you want to look bored using only your eyes for whatever reason, that's how to do it. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.